in what is called Pranaya Gita, from verse I don't know, 31 to 41, whatever is coming up. It's called Pranaya Gita. There's Veno Gita, there's Gopi Gita, there's Veno Gita, Pranaya Gita, Gopi Gita, Yoga Gita, Brahma Gita, Mahishi Gita, and Viraha Gita. There's different Gits. We say in the West, we say Gita. Here they say Gita. Gopi Gita. And this is we're about to start soon, the Pranaya Gita of the Gopis. So now this, another nice point that we've been talking about, which I just summarized in a note here, that Krishna is talking about two kinds of devotion here. He's talking about Vaidhi sadhana and Raganuga sadhana. So this particular verse, 27, shows two paths of devotion. Shravanad, Darshanat, Dhyanam, Mayi Bhavo, Anukirtanat. Na tata sani karshena, pratiyata tato griham. Sri Krishna said to the gopis, transcendental love for me, Mahi Bhav, arises by Bhakti Yoga. The devotional processes of hearing about me, seeing my deity form, meditating on me, and faithfully chanting my glories. The same result of Bhav, Mai Bhavo, is not achieved by mere physical proximity. So please go back to your homes and try again. Go back to your homes and try again practicing Vaidhi sadhana and Raganuga sadhana, and you may get to the platform where you get Sakshat Darshan. You have Sakshat Darshan, you've attained perfection. Now go back and try again. And if you're successful in your second attempt at Bhakti, at Shravanam Kirtan, you may get my Darshan again. And then maybe next time around we can have the Rasa dance. Second time around, let's go around again. So there's two paths of devotion. One is called Raganuga Bhakti, the path of sacred love. And the other is the path of regulated devotion, Vaidhi, Vidhi Marg, Vaidhi Sadhana. Krishna is preaching Vaidhi Bhakti to the Braja Gopis.